Hey, okay, here we go. Last one. Thank you for all of you that did them all. Okay. You're going to be awesome. You're going to pass this test. If you did them all and took the notes, you should pass the test. Well, taking all the notes will make it easier for you to recall stuff on the tests. But if you didn't pay attention much at all during the year and have suffered all year, just because you wrote them all down one more time doesn't remember you're going to mean you're going to remember them all. But you will get more right than you would have if you didn't do these notes. Okay, so hopefully that helps. All right, so this one is on what we just did this past week, all the different graphs and charts, line plots, dot plots, bar graphs, frequency tables, histograms, etc. Okay, so first of all, um, let's just do this. Let's say we were saying how many people have green shirts at home? How many green shirts do you have? Because we want to all wear green on St. Patrick's Day, which I don't know if they'll even, just like Valentine's Day, this school didn't want to do anything for it because they felt like with Saint in it, it's maybe a religious holiday or it's kind of weird. But so we just stayed away from it. Some classes did things, but we were told not to. Anyway, but let's say first we're just counting up. Okay, so let's say we want to say how many people had zero, and then we go. This is going to be people. Okay, so let's say there's 4, 1 to 2. There's that many, 3 to 4. Yeah. So one of the things you always want to do is you could have questions like how many people were there. Each tally marks a person. Okay, and you might need to do true or false. 50% of the people had 3 or more. So you're going to be like, huh? Well, that's these. I can already tell from looking. There's less here than. Okay, as long as you make them all the proper size, it gives you an idea. Okay, here's all the people with 0. Here's 1 to 2, and okay, such and such. All right. Remember, the one of the tricky questions we had this past week was in any of these. It's certainly not less than the 3 one. Okay, so there's 9 here. All right, this isn't. how I drew it. That's not the numbers. The numbers, okay. All right, what else? Line plots. People have 0 pets. Yeah, this is 0, okay? So let's just make it go straight. Person 1 actually has 0. On 15, there's 1. Okay, so mode. What's the range? Um, five. It's a continuous line, but a bar graph, the bars typically August. Okay, money made. In other words, you still have some sales because a lot of people think, and this isn't necessarily true, but collect. Just I'm stupid. But to do the median, when they give you dots in order like this, then you can move your fingers